Alright, today we're going to do an Italian style chicken salad. We're going to stretch a pound of chicken out as far as we can by making chicken salad. So a lot of people argue about which tastes better, dark meat, white meat. I say let's use both. So we've got about a half pound chicken breast and we've got a half pound in 2 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So let's dice these up real quick. Fine dice. It's just kind of a rough cut. We just want smaller pieces like so, so that they cook faster. And now we're going to take these to the stove. I made chicken stock earlier to boil the chicken in, and that's just going to add flavor to the flavor. I'm going to give it a shot of the chicken style salt that we made. So it's got sage, rosemary, thyme, little lemon peel in there. Now when it comes to chicken stock, you can get it in a carton, you can get it in a can, you can make your own if you have the time. There's also a jar paste, which is more like a chicken base. I highly recommend that. It keeps for a long time in the refrigerator, and it's the quickest, easiest. You just take a spoonful and stir it up in the water and it's ready to go. Or you can use the good old trusty bouillon cube, just as long as you're getting that chicken flavor into that water. Alright, while we're waiting for the chicken to cook, we'll go ahead and get the dressing ready for it. So we've got 1 cup of aioli, which is pretty much the recipe I gave you on the previous video. And we'll add all of our veggies in next. So I got a heaping teaspoon of celery. All this is fine diced. Heaping teaspoon green pepper. Heaping teaspoon green parts only green onion. 2 tablespoons of red onion. Tablespoon of fine chopped roasted red pepper. And tablespoon of sun-dried tomato, fine chopped. We're also going to add 2 teaspoons of capers, a tablespoon of honey, tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of sliced Kalamata olives. And just give this a little bit of a toss. Now we'll go in with our herbs. Just 2 teaspoons each. Chopped basil, oregano, rosemary, thyme, sage, and parsley. 2 teaspoons each. Give those a toss. And as soon as the chicken is done, we can put this puppy together. Alright, once your chicken is done boiling, drain it, transfer it to a bowl. And while it's still hot, go ahead, use your potato masher and just mash that up. Now if it doesn't mash real easy, you probably need to boil it a little bit longer. So give it a good mashing. You see it's falling apart there. And then make sure to let it cool thoroughly. Alright, once your chicken is cooled, go ahead and add it in. And one last thing before we say goodbye, let's give it 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan. And then give that a toss. ready to eat. And there you are, finished product. Whether you're wanting to eat it with some crackers or on a croissant or a sandwich, it's ready to go. It's sweet, it's tangy, it's got a lot of different things going on. The amount of garlic that we have in the aioli really comes through right in this dish. So go ahead and try it. See how you like it. As usual, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We're kind of everywhere.